Very often the members of the bar come and meet me, whether it's the SCBA or the SCORA. I met the representatives of the SCORA just last week. And when they put their demands to me, I said my problem is that I can't say no to any of the demands of the bar, because that's the lawyer within me which is constantly saying how justified these demands are. But then over the last 5 months, there's also a Chief Justice in me who has an institutional perspective at heart. So there is a little bit of a conflict sometimes in the heart between me as a lawyer and me as an institutional head, and I try and have to balance out both the perspectives. I must share with you that in everything that we do, we consult the bar, and we'll continue to consult the bar. Because these offices which we hold in trust for all of you, for the present, for the future, and for the nation. We are planning to address the severe shortage of space in the Supreme Court by putting up an annexee building, a new annexee building. We asked the PWD to draw up an initial blueprint. As someone mentioned earlier, my successors, who are going to be Chief Justices, several of them are part of the committee. They bring diverse experience, very rich and profound experience as part of the building committee. The PWD did the first drawing, which was only for our internal discussion. We've got back to the PWD and said that our mission was very clear and our instructions were very clear. We said that the primary emphasis in the new building has to be on providing adequate space to the most important stakeholders, namely the lawyers and the litigants. I'm conscious of the fact that the bar is in dire need for more space. Therefore, I told the PWD that we have to have first and foremost adequate facilities for the Supreme Court Bar Association, for the SCORA. And though the women lawyers are members of both the associations, or at least one of them, I do believe that the women require a space of their own, so we must have adequate space for the Women's Bar Association. We have also said that the entirety of the building, I'm conscious of the fact that in the heat of the summer, as we leave the air-conditioned courts where we are sitting, the lawyers have to go into terribly hot corridors. That's an area which I am also working on. I can't promise you that we'll find a technological solution, but I'm working on it. But most important, in the new building, we have given the remit to the PWD to ensure that the entirety of the building would be air-conditioned, and on every floor there would be waiting areas for lawyers and litigants, so that you do not have to crowd into the courts and you can sit quietly outside the court waiting for your matters to reach and work on your laptops or work on your briefs, whether you are on paper or otherwise.
लीगल रिपोर्टर के सभी वीडियो को देखने के लिए लीगल रिपोर्टर को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन बटन जरूर दबाएं।